This is a beautiful bathroom. It's just been sitting for a while, so it has a little dirt, but very nice. Towels are now well cleaned. I don't know if you can tell, but there's residue over here. There's residue over there. Insides too. Over here. It's pretty good. Floors to get cleaned out. So basically good tile work over here. All right, let's get it going. And then we got, oh, there's an attic on top. And then another row over here. All right, cool. Oops. Yep. That's it. Okay. So, windows, bathrooms, and floors.